Introducing the Fantech Smart Flowing RGB LED Strip. Inside the Smart RGB LED Strip packaging, you will get a user manual, the Smart LED Strip, an LED strip connector, LED strip clip, and screws. Inside the Smart LED Strip controller packaging, you will get a user manual, remote control, smart controller, adapter, tape measure, cable clip, and an adhesive sticker. Our new LED strip is built with an RGB IC chipset, which features a flowing RGB LED spectrum. You can even connect it up to 6 meters with the 18-watt adapter. Out of the box, it can connect with the Fantech Smart Life app, Amazon Alexa, and even Google Home. Our LED strip can be cut and even can extend easily. If you want to cut it, first find the pin and cut it according to the line. Next, cut the glue coating and then peel it and connect it to the connector according to the pin. Peel the back side of the cover before you stick it to any surface. You can even use the smart controller to directly change the LED color, or use the remote control to change the LED mode, or even use the Fantech Smart Life app for more complete features. It's also compatible with Amazon Alexa and Google Home. Alexa, turn on the Smart Flowing RGB strip.
Okay.
Alexa, set the Smart Flowing RGB strip to blue.
Okay.
Lastly, you can also synchronize the LED light by making a group in the Fantech Smart Life app.